just got to the airport after a super early morning wake-up call. We are now flying to Kruger to begin our safari.
Hey everyone, this is our suite, room 2. We're at Delaney River Lodge. Come on in.
On our way to our first lunch at Delaney, and then we'll be heading to our first game drive right after that. Bags are packed and we are ready to go. Just got served lunch, and while we're sitting here we saw our first giraffe. So if you know me, I've been wanting to see a giraffe for quite some time. So Maria, out of the corner of her eye, spotted a whole bunch of giraffes. So we actually see a whole bunch, about 5 or 6 sitting over there. Dressed and ready to go for our first safari. Out of the first 6 or so hours that we have been here, we have now seen a rhino, an elephant, a giraffe, and a buffalo. 3 of the big 5 animals have already been spotted. Tonight we are on the quest for a lion and a leopard. Hopefully we get to see those. Those will cross off the big 5 already, but we're looking forward to the game drive and seeing what we capture.
Alrighty, now we're in the real wild.
Yay!
Official. We have now seen the big 5. We were racing it to see a leopard, as you'll see in some of the footage. But so glad to report that we have now seen all of the big 5 animals. A little bit of rain, but nothing can stop us. Just spotted another leopard this morning. This morning's game drive was a blast. However, it was quite wet and rainy. It rained the entire time we were out there. So, needless to say, we both got soaked. So we went ahead and showered off, dipped into our hot tub, and now we just finished up lunch and are heading back for some relaxation before we go ahead and get ready for our next game drive.
Haven't seen any mating, but maybe we'll be fortunate enough to be the first ones to see it.
We're racing to see 2 leopards. We just saw them cross into the bank.
Calculate up to 3
get a feel for what the bush is doing today. I've got a little inkling it's going to be a little bit more quiet today, but we're going to see what we can do. We'll hang around our main area here. Our area is actually quite busy because of the river and because of our dams that we've got here. And our
making us famous, yeah.
All good things must come to an end. So we are sad to leave Deliney, but overall a great experience. 10 out of 10 would recommend staying here to anyone. Just wanted to hop on here at the very tail end of the video and say that all of the photos you've seen in this video, as well as additional photos from our South African trip, are available for purchase in the link in the description below on my website, and definitely appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe. There's plenty more adventures coming.